Honda Civic CX. This has been sitting for a while. Needs a lot of work. Some surface rust. Missing some parts. The fuel lid is broken. Could be a nice restoration. Kind of got this car to put a K-series swap on it, and it's gonna be a kind of a big project for me. This will tell you how long it was sitting for. A lot of mold and grime on the dashboard, the panels, the carpet, some extra parts back there. I guess the previous owner had put the fuse box inside the engine, inside the interior. So I gotta move that out of there. Got some Broadway mirror there, which I'm gonna remove. Has a nice EG6 steering wheel and a JDM amber cluster on it. Carpeting seems to be okay. Some rips on the seats. There's a fuel lid over there too. I gotta get to that door open. See if I can open that door. Okay. Nice fuel lid. It's a little bent right there. Could fix that up. Has some nice stocks. Factory CX wheels. Some amber corners with aftermarket headlights. This car is definitely in need of a restoration. Wow. This is gonna be a big project. I'm gonna sand the whole engine bay. I'm not sure what color. Let me put the hood prop on. I'm not sure what color to paint the car yet. I was thinking about Type R yellow or championship white. Guess the previous owner had some aluminum foil there. He had a fuel pressure regulator, some Hatchback motor mounts. The other one is over here. Yeah, I just put some cables here, some Ethernet cables just to hold the axles in place. Yes, he used to race this car at one point. Has a whole bunch of stickers here. Some EG fog lights. One of them is cracked. Might repair those or just replace it. Put a new lens. I believe this one has coilovers on it. There you go. Has some aftermarket coilovers. Missing a door handle here. Car is fairly dropped. I think that was the original color at one point, or the factory color to say. Let's pop the hatch. This car went through like 5 different colors at one point. It went from green, red, and then it went to a gray, Now it's like kind of like a white, like a primer white. See more stickers here. Some nice taillights, very minty, no fading at all. CX model. Guess at this point this was repaired. I gotta take care of that. Maybe get a donor CX or hatchback and just cut this area right here. Some exhaust systems here, I guess. Let's see if we can open the hatch. Okay. Some exhaust. Some parts that don't even belong in this car. It's just a bunch of aftermarket mirrors, radio, aftermarket steering wheel. Yeah, I want to go through this later on, see what came in here. I gotta replace that bumper too. Bumper is definitely in need of a replacement. More evidence that this car was red at some point too. Red door jambs. Whoever painted this car did a terrible job. You see where it was gray at one point, then it was red again. Let's take this out real quick, get a better glance. The EG. I gotta replace some surface rust, something that a sandblaster will take care of. Has a factory EG radio. Just a little crack right there, but it's all good. Has this armrest. Dash appears to be in great condition, so I'm gonna get the AC vents here. I think it's missing the AC blower motor and all that stuff. This guy used to have it for racing, so he removed it. So I might put the AC unit again. This is again more evidence that this car was originally like an Arcadia green or Tahiti green or something like that. Definitely a new roof liner. Needs to get replaced. Guess there's some glass for the windows, some replacements that the previous owner left in the car. So what I want to do in the next video is get all these parts out and clean it as much as I can and just vacuum everything out of here. Start working on the car. There's some weather stripping here that is kind of like a silicone that I'm gonna remove too and put the original weather stripping here channel. Power folding mirrors are coming soon. What I want to do is just get the whole EG6 SIR kind of style into this car. I might do the 5-lug. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, this car was sitting for a long time. Let me know in the comments, guys, what color you think I should paint this car. For the most part, most of the body works and all that stuff, I'll do it myself, and I'll take it to a professional body shop to get it painted. This is all surface rust at one point. This is gonna come off If it's not salvageable, then I'm just gonna replace the panel. Whatever bad metal the car has is gonna come off. I gotta get the door handle on this one. Another mirror here, I guess it's broken. And the passenger side, a bunch of leaves. Better glance at the cluster. I don't know what this harness is for, but apparently it's broken. That's the fuse box. Oh, this is gonna get replaced with new harnesses from Honda. I'm very amazed that these stocks are still shining up, and this is the factory chrome. As you see, there's a lot of mold and grime on these panels. Something that I'm gonna clean before I start working on this car. Definitely you don't want to breathe that in. Alright guys, let me know what you think and what color you think I should paint this car. Again, I'm thinking about the Type R yellow from the DC2, or the EK9, or the Championship white. But yeah guys, this is definitely gonna be a lengthy project. I got more coming soon on the channel. I don't want to show it to you guys yet, but this is one of the 6 projects that I have going on right now. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what type of swap you guys would like to see in this car, either a K series or a B series again. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments, what do you guys think. If you guys want to see more content on this EG, definitely share. I'm trying to build my channel just so you guys can see a lot of 90s restorations. I have a passion for 90s cars, and once again I have other projects in the lineup. This is one of them. And yeah guys, so make sure you guys like and subscribe, share this post, share this video, and we'll be posting more content on this 92 Honda Civic CX. Thanks guys.